Hello everyone, welcome again, and today I'm going to show you another demo for a computer soft project. So let's move into the IDE. So this is the application that's built into the Java. The core technology is Java, and to use for the front end, it's using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JSP to handle the responses for the front end side. So server side, it's using Servlet, and for the database, it's using MySQL connecting by the JDBC, and it's using Maven thing. So form.xml is there. It's managing the dependency over here, and it's following the MVC architecture. So bean controller are there. So separate packages are there. And to run it and deploy the application, we are using Tomcat server. So I'm going to run this application to check the demo, and then we'll execute it and we'll see one by one all the details how the things are working over there. So this is your home page again. We have different categories here. The category will be modified by the admin. So the admin can manage the complete portal. So here we have two options, like these are the category types. So it's dynamic, so admin can increase it if required. So new computers and the Dell computers. So according to the category, the data will be filtered here over the home page. The complete data is coming from the MySQL database that is managing into the backend. So here we have a user accounts. Two types of roles is there. One is admin and second one is a customer and a user. So first we will check the available option over the home page without login. So we have a product page. Under the product page we have a add card option and the price and the detail about the product, about the you can say computer shopping. And here I'm going to click on the add card. So when I click onto the add card, it'll ask me to register into the application or log in over there. So I can log in if I'm a new customer. I can register and then log in. If I'm an existing customer, I can log in there and I can go through the purchase. Similarly, we have again a login and registration option here. So if I'm a new user, I can register from here as well. But here we have a search option. So if I want to search product by any name, let's suppose I want to search product by this name, I can filter out the data from here as well. So let's log in as an admin and then check how the admin can perform over there. So in the database we have a two types of role ID, 1 and 2. One always will be for the admin and 2 will be for the password. So I'm gonna enter this username. I'm gonna enter this username. I'm going to copy this password. Yes, click on the sign in button, and here we have an option to add admin. So an admin can add another admin category. So here from here I can add a new categories. So to add the new categories, what I needed to do is click on the add category, just fill up this form, click on the save button, and when I view the categories, it will display here and display over the front page as well. Another page is a product page, similar page to add the product. When I'm going to click on the product, it will ask me to select the category. According to this category selection, the data will be displayed the front end page. So whenever you are entering the data, make sure your path is set, file path, and also the next thing is you have to fill a valid data. So let me check the verify the path here. Yes, correct. I need to confirm. Yes, correct. So okay, we can add the data. So I'm going to just demonstrate you the data. How can you add the category and data? So I will just click on the add category. So I'm going to add Dell is there. Except choose, and I'm going to choose an image. Laptop image. Do I have any laptop? I have mobile image. So for demonstration, I'm adding the mobile image, and this is my description. This data is saved successfully. So under the category we have another category is Asus. Okay, Asus spelling is also, so we can edit, we can also edit the things. So okay, the session is expired. So I'm gonna just log in with this again. I'm gonna add and log in as an admin. If you keep it idle for a minute, that will expire the session, so make sure you continue working on it. Enter the password. So under the category section we have this. I can also do edit. So edit, after edit you have to upload the image again. Click on the save, and the category will display now here. Sometime the image will take time to load. Now it's there. Okay, also you can perform the delete operation. Similarly, you can add the product, and now I'm going, you will check the sale history, whatever the customer is going to buy the product, the detail will be displayed here. Then click on the logout button. Now let's log in as a user. And if you are not a user into the application, you can register over there, the option is there, but currently I'm going to log in as an existing user. So this is my demo@gmail.com as my user of this application. I'm going to enter the username. After this, I'm going to enter the password, and when I click on the sign in button, I can see all the product over there. This is my history page, and product is there. So I'm going to click onto the add card, and whenever the data I've entered, let's suppose I need two quantity, I can update the data. Price is updated accordingly. When I click on the checkout option, I can do the checkout. I can click on the submit. I just need to fill up the payment details. So this is a dummy payment page, and I'm going to enter some random data, and I click on the confirm payment. The payment will be confirmed successfully. Now I can check the history. I can check the new history. New payment history will be displayed over there. I click on the contact detail. So over the contact page is also there. When I fill up this form and click on the save button, the data will be sent to the contact table that will display into the database. So this is all about the computer cell program, computer shop program. So in case you need the source code, you can connect it with us over the WhatsApp or mail, and you can take the source code. Also, we have a remote support, so we will help you to run the code at your machine. And in case you need to understand the code flow and the code architecture for an interview or your college minor or major project, you can connect with us. We'll help